To multiply mixed fractions, we first want to convert each mixed number into an improper fraction. So 9 times 5 is 45. Add 1, we get 46. Carry over the denominator. Times 7 times 1 is 7. Add 3, we get 10. Carry over the denominator. Now, to make it easier for us to multiply fractions with large numbers, we can first see if we can cross-simplify. 10 and 5 can both be divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 can cross out to 2. 5 divided by 5 can cross out to 1. Now we can multiply. We multiply our numerators. 46 times 2 is 92. We multiply our denominators. 1 times 7 is 7. Now we need to write our answer as a mixed fraction. 7 goes into 92 13 times, which equals 91. So our numerator is 1. Carry over the denominator, and our final answer is 13 and 1 over 7.